Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the controls at the bottom of the lock screen. So here you can see these are the controls in the lock screen, the home and the camera. So let me show you how to change this one. For this, first of all, go to the lock screen and make tap and hold on the lock screen. Okay, so if you set any screen lock, then you need to enter this one. So here you can change the controls. So here you can see the option customize. Tap on this one, select lock screen. So here you can see you can change the controls of the lock screen. So if you want to change this one, now tap on the minus button, tap on this plus button, and from here you can select any controls. So here I am going to select the option dark mode. You can see, and here also I am going to change this one. So here I am going to change to calculator. That's it. Now tap on done. Now let me show you how it works. Lock the device. Now you can see the dark mode and the calculator is on the lock screen. The lock screen controls are changed. So simply in this way you can change the controls at the bottom of the lock screen. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.